Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the kitchen with me. Today we are making up some salmon patties, or you may call them salmon croquets, but I call them salmon patties. That's what I grew up on. But today we are doing a little bit different of a recipe than what my mom always did growing up. Usually you hear of salmon recipes being made with cornmeal and flour, but this one just uses breadcrumbs. So we're gonna give it a go and see how it turns out.
Okay, we're gonna get these salmon patties going, and the first thing you want to do is open you some canned salmon. Now you can use fresh salmon for this, but I like the canned salmon better because you've got juice in it. And you want to reserve the juices in case you need to add them to your mixture later when you're making your patties if your mixture's a little too dry. But basically for this serving, this size recipe, you want to have 15 ounces of salmon. And of course, you know, you could double it if you needed to make a bigger batch. And we're going to dice up an onion, or I did a half an onion. So really for this size recipe, half an onion is more than enough. We're going to beat up 2 eggs and we're going to add them to our mixture. And we're going to add in about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of salt, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and you can adjust those spices however you think you need to. And we want to add in a cup of plain breadcrumbs. All right, so I'm going ahead and getting me some chicken broth boiling for my grits. I'm going to use that instead of just plain water, just for some added flavor. And you want to add some oil to a pan. I'm going to use the black iron pan again. And you can, I'm just using vegetable oil, but you can about use any kind of oil you want to. So just whatever your preference is, but we're going to get that heated up. I'm heating it on about medium-high heat because this is a black iron pan and it's going to get hot, really hot. So we're going to let that heat up, then we're going to get our patties frying. Okay, here's how they turned out. They look so good. And now we're going to just get them down in our hot grease. They are a little crumbly. It doesn't take the patties very long to cook either, only about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then they're done. Okay, so we are finished. Here's what they look like. Some of them fell apart, but that's okay. They are still good. We're going to break them up anyway in our grits. And now I'm going to show you what the final presentation looks like. All right, here we go. We got our plate of grits that is cooked in our chicken broth, and I added salt to it. And because I left some of the fat in the broth, I didn't add butter to these grits. Normally I would add butter, but the fat in the broth has made them very creamy. And of course we're gonna top them with some cheese. And then we got our salmon patty, and now we are ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try it, please let me know. If you did enjoy it, give it a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. That really helps my channel grow, and I can keep doing more videos like this for y'all in the future. All right, hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye, y'all.